Marine accidents happen all the time, causing millions of dollars in damage, and you won't believe some of the stuff we have found. In 2018, people on a smaller boat had their cameras going as they watched a 744 tanker make its way towards an 18th century $1 million waterfront mansion. The Vita Spirit was said to have dropped anchor to stop, but it didn't stop. Take a look at the dramatic footage of a 28,000-ton MS Austin Spirit, which was driven hard onto land at a yard in Turkey. With horns blaring, the ship makes top speed before it lands on the beach between two other ships. On February 28, 2019, a captain who had a little too much to drink steered the Russian cargo ship Sea Grand into a bridge in Korea. Both the ship and bridge were heavily damaged. In 2019, a huge 13-day cruise ship, the MSC Oprah, lost control of its engines, which led to a crash into a dock and a smaller boat called River Countess in Italy. The footage of the accident was captured, showing people running from the small boat. On August 15, 2012, a Hong Kong fishing boat with 14 Chinese activists landed in disputed territory and was being chased by two Japanese Coast Guard patrol boats. The two boats ended up capturing the fishing boat as they closed in on each side. This footage was recorded in 2018. The 4,300-ton Reangel 15 was trying to berth at the Nansha port in Guangzhou and went out of control, running into the 698-ton Haisu 10, which was berthed at the port. Several containers on Haisu 10 fell off and 16 containers were damaged in the incident. Both ships suffered damages to their health. According to Guangzhou Maritime Safety Administration, there were no injuries or pollution caused by the incident. In October 2010, 738-foot-long grain-carrying ship called the MV Grand Dosi was approaching the port Lincoln Wharf in South Australia when things went terribly wrong. As it came close to moor, it seems that there was a loss of steering and the bow collided straight into the tuna trawler. The trawler, the Polo S, was split open and completely crushed. There was no hope of the vessel surviving this, and the extent of damage became clear when grain ship was finally pulled away. In 2017, the Tolunay carriers smashed into the Turkish Coast Guard boat, which was directly in front of it. The bow of the Tolunay strikes the smaller boat and spins it around. The Tolunay did not stop and kept sailing as if nothing happened. In April 2020, the Milano Bridge, a 13,000-ton cargo vessel, was entering Busan in South Korea when it seemingly lost control. It was about to line up alongside the dock, but it kept swinging in towards the shore before crashing onto one of the support cranes. The crane was completely destroyed. According to Korean officials, the ship, which was not carrying any containers at that time, had been approaching the port at too high speed and failed to slow down in time. The Hansa Constitution, a German-registered ship that was fully loaded with containers, managed to run aground on the shore just next to the park to the amazement of locals. The ship dropped its anchor on one last attempt to slow itself down before making contact, but it came to a halt just a few feet away from the promenade. It was believed to have been blown, of course, by monsoon winds after engine failure. 2 fireboats and 2 diving support vessels were deployed for rescue. The ship was eventually towed away from the shore. On February 24, 2020, the giant tanker Stellar Banner ran aground and developed a heavy starboard tilt into the water. The crew was evacuated and the vessel was refloated so that the salvage team could remove 3,500 tons of fuel oil and its 275,000 tons of iron ore carrier. But it was found that the ship could not be repaired and it deliberately sank. The dramatic footage was captured of a 4,40,924 ton ship as it sinks into the water, and the sound as it sinks is nearly incredible.